Virtual Agent, released in the first version of Incident Response, is a service that allows end users to get interactive help on a particular subject or to ask a question. It has two primary functions: to transfer a user to a live agent or to show and change case status. Virtual Agent does not require additional setup or plugins. If you're assigned the administrator, manager, or responder role, you can begin using Virtual Agent. Let's dive in and see it in action. To access Virtual Agent, go to the chat icon in the bottom left of the screen. Click Show Me Everything. Click Case Status to view or change the status of a case. To request immediate help with an issue, click Contact Live Agent. You'll be prompted to provide the URL where the issue has been experienced, as well as a brief description. After this, you'll be put in a queue waiting for an agent. When an agent becomes available, you'll be transferred. In Virtual Agent, you can also see the history of cases. To do this, click View Closed Cases and select one of the options: See All Cases, See All Cases Created by Me, See All Cases Created in the last 6 months, or View Cases within a specified date range. Watch the other videos in our Lightstep Incident Response playlist to learn more. If you aren't using Lightstep Incident Response for your business yet, read more about it and what it can do at lightstep.com/incident-response and sign up for a free trial. Or learn more about how to start using Incident Response by reading the extensive product documentation.